This is the 12 South PowerPic Mod wireless charger. It's a customizable wireless charger with this acrylic backing there with the wireless charger built in, and you can slide in a photo underneath that. So let's take a look at the box here. And you can see here in this example, they're showing a photo behind the acrylic there. A 20-watt USB-C power adapter is required, but not included, so you'll have to provide that on your own. And here you have an example of how to position it horizontally if you want to have your phone horizontally, for example, to watch a video. And inside the box, you get the PowerPic charger with the PowerPic base, along with a 5-foot USB-C power cable. Now, this works with mobile phones and AirPods Pro. It is a 4x6 frame. So if you have a 4x6 photo, you can put that into the backing there. 3 charging positions and compatible with most cases up to 3 millimeters thick. And so again, you need that 20-watt USB-C power adapter. And here's the other side of the box. You can see nothing on the bottom other than a round sticker. So let's go ahead and open this up. See if we can slide this out. All right. There is the acrylic. And is this a tab that you can lift up? Let's lift it up from the edges here. There you can see the acrylic, the wireless charger there. View from the side, looks like there's a little dot with a hole there. This is the back of it. It's the USB-C port right there. And that is the view from all different angles. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. The PowerPic Mod Owner's Guide. And see what is included with the base, cable, and the charger. So, you insert it into the base, you plug in the USB-C cable, provide your own power adapter. Here are the different charging positions that you can have. So it looks like you could have your phone horizontally with the charger in portrait mode, or you could have the charger in landscape mode and have your phone also in landscape mode. It tells you what the different lights mean. So blue is the device is charging, green is fully charged. Blue flashing means foreign object detected. Green flashing means insufficient power to the PowerPic, meaning that your USB-C power adapter may not be 20 watts, so you may need to get a more powerful power adapter. Looks like AirPods Pro, you need to have it in the tall direction to be able to charge those wirelessly. And then to add a photo, you pull off the top cover there, insert it, and then reapply the cover. It is fastened using magnets. Great. Additional notes. No foreign objects. No mag stripes or IC chip cards. Could damage those. Don't cover the base with any material cloth. All right. So the input accepts 5 volt, 2 amps, 9 volts, 1.67 amps. The output is 5, 7.5, or 10 watts for the charger there. All right. Charging efficiency greater than 72%. This looks like a wallpaper that you can use if you don't have a photo of your own. Well, let's take a look at the base. So here is the base. This feels like a silicone material, light gray silicone material, and some back there as well. These little bumps and ridges. And underneath you can see PowerPic mod name there, the model number, again the input power in amps, the output watt rating, made in China. Okay, let's take a look at the USB-C cable. This requires a 20-watt power adapter, USB-C. You can have a more powerful adapter, but 20 watts is the minimum. All right, so to assemble this, take the base, you take the PowerPic charger, and you could insert it like that. Okay, and then you would plug in the cable, USB-C, into the back here, like so. Then the other end of the cable would go into your 20-watt or greater USB-C power adapter. Now, if you want to insert a photo in this, looks like this top cover comes off there. Just quickly insert the included wallpaper. And you just close that up. And now, you have your wallpaper there. See it from the back too. Just reinsert into the base. Plug in your USB-C power cable. You're good to go. So that's it for the PowerPic Mod wireless charger.